mātou o si whanau mātou e. Ai ni whanau mai kuntu. I te whate mōtu. O mātou whapai mā whanau. Slāna te. O mātou mōrawa i o sila mātou rai. Sātou sila se ni mātou whanau. Kia te whakatau te mana. Kua mei e po hae ni se ta mana ma te niawe te. Te mana hofa. Tusa ramane no fa se ni mato upa. Ale rei, lei whakas. Ai fo isteni ni lei. Ia, ma te rā me whakas ia ma se o uso beika. Ia mato uma. No foi o sangue do mato. E tiene tama. Eu não conto lá. Eu não sei. Não matou lá. Não muito não. Então, não eu uso lá em cima. Olha lá na faculdade, olha lá uma. Quem ouvia lá não I want to share a few things about Uncle Sam. On behalf of all the nieces and nephews, it was true what they said yesterday, that he loved us the same. He treated us all the same. He had so much love for us. And I think that's why a lot of our hearts are broken. Even everybody in New Zealand, I'm speaking to my little siblings here, and he was someone that cared very much for us. Over the years I learned so many things from him. When I think about the tools that I use to fix things, it reminds me of him. I remember when we were young, we used to go around to the hard rubbish, and we used to collect bike parts. And he would fix bikes for us, so we could ride together. I remember him taking us to the beaches and enjoying our time here. I remember him building things and fixing cars. A lot of those traits I got from him. I'm grateful. Sonia even said to Quinton yesterday or 2 days ago, I said, you know, your dad was a really good squash player. And he didn't know. He used to take me when I was younger to watch him play squash. And I remember there was times he didn't even hit the ball a few times. I wasn't as good as him though. So, you know, but he loved this game. He loved to make us feel good. He loved to make us feel loved. These are the memories I always cherish of him. And as I got older, the memories of his colognes, every time I went over, every time I'll come over, there was something from him and we'll share stories of the past. The last time I saw him, a couple of months ago, he said, son, come back to Samoa. We've got some plans to do. Get back. But he's gone. But it's okay. I'll continue the plans for us. There's a few scriptures I just wanted to share for my little siblings because I know this is a tough time. There's a saying that says, tears are not a sign of weakness. It's the price of love. Loia. That is the price. That's why we like this. And the Doctor in Covenants 31 verse 7 it says, my son, peace be unto you, unto thy soul. Thine adversity and thine afflictions shall be but a short moment. Only a short time. In John 14:27 it reads, peace I leave with you. my peace I give unto you. Not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. Heavenly Father loves you, and He knows your hearts, and He understands all your things. And you know I love you very much. I'll always be here for you. Always. I will care for you, but I will see you one day. I know, for sure.
Salo basu le mamalu manfaia o poso mai nei aso matsamo fie sanso te pati ai ele palanga ali semana le aina. You saw me bringing up a laptop here. This laptop is sponsored by Fix for Someone Limited, probably a number one country. Just kidding. Okay, and if you think that I've got a whole book of Sam to share with you, you have to private message me. Ole piti pa apa matara mama na saina musu. Awawa malu maunu e kunatia watalama pasina le sipaina. Ele susua lo susuma le taita ile sauniga, lo susuma kuasa to ile kala. Susule mamalo la upenga paulina le atua mo oto pa atua. Utupo mai e Samoa wa pia kupoto mai pa ia pa le malo, pa ia pa le anu, pa ia pa le kalesia. O ma o mai pa te ma o aina. O tanto poto mai e mo le maulina to e saulina o le afioga ya SILIGATUSA SEMI SAMAU. O le susuma le li ti akono o le usua lei yo na paia para na no o tana manono o le pele o na aina o le tua ngane e sili o na pa pele yo na tua pakine o le uso pa tua ina o le patama i tama pana uma o le mato aina o le tama o le mafana Quinton, Mateo, Giselle, Tristan, Sammy, Ethan, Dante, Aurelio, Maximus, Marita Matai, Luciana, Emiliata, Robert, Olo Utofi, Mainetua, na paia mai I le fui, o lo la pitanga, o lo malu, o lo malos, o la o pele, o la o mananea, o lo pat, o le e mai ana. O le sa seu I pare mua I lo ma aina. Ani? Ya, sa pot mai. Ai se pai se u. Se tau ane ai le alofa ua tau musu. O le ata o tau pa mai me sa I roto o sa ma pa ia sa moa. Awa le ba ai pa usi na ta le tumi lo ina de la wamana o na avea malape o le pa sa wa ai se pa ino le lupe o le pongatia a pa manusina le ai tautai wa o Emiliata na no pa sa moa sa mau o le tautonga tau le oti matala atu o le oti a semi sa mau Ia po o asane Sam, Lona suata matai. O te tūlai atu e whaia se tala poko mō rau rene. O semi e tele ina whamaina me ngana whaperitania. Mai o loo pino ngia ko ele tātou makutanga e nisi o ainga. Mao me mamai e le malama e le tātou ngana. O le lai iai nisi vaenga e le nei whaasoa o le a whaatino ina e ngana whaperitania. Na amata le mahamakutanga a o maha o onga I le Universite o Otago I Dunedin I Sila. Le papa ia ina na ua le sakalameta le whaapoiponga ia me a sono se pulubalu tasiliva I wha. O le lua se pulubalu e ia tausanga wha maasina se pulu tolu waso o le makutanga. Se tala ina ai le makutanga e le oti. E te o pāsi o mā whanau e o na tā ua I honga. So, we met in Otago, down in Dunedin, 1994, Tahaipa, 28th of May, 1994. And then 20 years later, 4 months, 13 days, he's called back by his father. E maua lunga le tautulunga I tofu lava tātou ma le mori mau I se puanga o sehi. E peiko e na tātou whaanongo ai I mori mau le sauniga whare aina na. Na tāu ai e whapea. O ia, o se tangata sampea ngai, ma pita iai, ma ma. Tālu lava o na whana mai. Na o tau si mai e pot. Na e tapua I atu mato ai ngare a o ngā lai tau sina nunga se. Ia ona mai na mai. Therefore, te salai le makutanga. O se tangata I whai walk is like a lot of friends. This is true story. E whaopopo ma whakaingo pi atu I ngā ngana whapea. His friends are more than friends. They are his family. A band of brothers, sisters, and they love him as much as he loves them. O se tangata I roto alofa. O le tō tere o tātou, lea lama mai nei. Na maua ne whamanianga o lona alofa. Whapeo au, mala o whanau. O laua maniu lava se, ane o whapeo na whamanu e ina o mala o whanau. I le alofa o tauma sua. It's been reciprocated, multi-fold. E moni ai le upoletus, e muni mai leo maruenga le dei I ate oe. Blessed are the dead who die in the Lord from now on that they may rest from their labors and their work follow them. I wish to add on humbleness. He's a very humble person. E roto momo nalo. O ia se tangata haawa o ina. E tele ana ta aleni. A e le mawhaio na e whaia se mea e wha o ngāno na tō mai, e wha o ngā airo na tō mai. Pe o tāre ni ko, e wha amalo si ai, te wha I unga, pe o se ama ko. He never used his, his capabilities or his, academically, he's at the top of the line. But he never used that. He never take advantage of that, to do things that he wished to do, or some people wish to do. He just done, follow, compliant, used to tap. O le whamau ni o le mea o le taini o Yesem the camp. He was at the camp, and it was during the time that his mom passed away. I understand that the corrections regulations say they can allow inmates to go out if one of the parents, a child, or partner passed away. And depending on the nature of crime or whatever they were put in there for, as long as there's no threat to the community, should be all right, no problem. That wasn't the case for Sam. He's a very good man.